Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to learn about the vbind and the von. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So we are understanding the directives in the Vue. So this is the third one, that is vbind and the von. Absolutely, vbind shorthand and the von shorthand at the rate are two essential directives in the Vue JS used for data binding and the event handling. Make sure these are the shorthand properties of the Vue. Okay. Next, first we start with the Vue bind. Then we have a vbind data binding. Vbind is used to dynamically bind an attribute to an expression. It's commonly used to bind HTML attributes, dynamic class names, styles, props to the data in your Vue templates. So here first we have the template, you can see that. Then we have a div. Then here you can see that href URL binding type. Here we are binding href attribute dynamically. Here we are binding the title attribute dynamically. Okay, and here we have the data return URL and the image title. Here we are calling that one. Okay, let's see this script. We bind, copy this and add it over here. So let me add this and let's check. View serve completed. Reload this. Open link. So here you can see that link is added. Here you can see href URL link. So URL is example, and here we have the image title. So here you can see that image title. Okay, so if I but here you can say that there is no source over here, right? So image is not coming over here. If I go and inspect something, okay, so here you can see href link is here, right? And image title is here, right? So it's dynamically updated, okay, with the help of the binding. So here binding href attribute dynamically. Here we are binding the title attribute dynamically. Okay, so this is done with the bind an attribute, right? So this is basically with the help of this binding, right? Double colon. So we can bind anything dynamically to your expression. Okay, next step we have binding class dynamically. First we have binding the URL and the image title. Now we can bind the class. Okay, so let's copy and paste this one. So let's add it over here. Now here you can see what we are binding over here. We have a class, right? Binding class based on is active value. Okay, so is active true, active is active, then text danger. If it has error, then is to be a false. Okay, so text danger, let's go and check this one. And here we have example. Okay, so div class active, what class implies over here? Active. So here we go with the is active. Okay, so class active. If is active, if it is active, then class, which class is added? Active. And if it has error, if I make it true over here and make it false over here, then text danger will come. Check this. If you make both true, what will happen? Let's see. Active text danger, right? So both classes are added, you can see, because both are true. So this is how you can dynamically update the classes into your template component, right? Let's move to the next part. Okay, then we have a v on, that is at the rate event handling. So v on is used to attach event listeners to elements to handle various DOM element events like click, mouse over, key up, etc. When the specified event occurs, the corresponding method or expression is executed. Let's take an example of the click event. Just copy and paste this over here. At the rate click, we have handle click. So here we have a handle click. So when I click on this button, what will happen? Console.log will print. Let's see. So here console is there, right? Click me, button is clicked, you can perform any action over here. Form submit, sending the data to the server, do anything with this click, right? Moving to the next one, passing our arguments to the event handler. So if you want to pass the arguments to the event handlers, you can do like this. Okay, so let me copy and add this. So here you can see that handle click, button click we are sending. Okay, so we are handle click send, just we are consoling print the messages whatever we have sent over here. Let's go and check. Okay, so click me, so button clicked. Okay, you can see button clicked is mentioned or something you can change over here. Also we will check. Okay, so here you can see this is printed. Okay, so you can also pass handling event with argument, you can also pass that one. Okay, so let's define something over here. VBind is used for the data binding where you want to dynamically change the attributes, classes, styles based on the data changes. Or VOn is used for the event binding to handle, to listen and respond to events triggered by the user. This directive significantly enhances Vue's ability to handle dynamic data, user interactions, making your application more interactive and responsive. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.